Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see about the map of function. Okay, so far I have discussed about the lambda function or expression and the filter of function that's used along with the lambda function. In the upcoming videos we will see about the radius of function. Okay friends, let's move on to the video. Last video I have seen about the filter of function and we have discussed the use of the filter of function. And here map of function, the syntax of the map of function is map of lambda expression comma object name. Okay, simply I'll explain some other relation, some other variable in the map of function, then function comma sequence. Okay, the first argument function is the name of the function and the second one sequence is the second is a sequence like a list, tuple and dictionary, like that. Okay, so this is example we are taking as a list. Okay, then the map of function is the function, this map of function is a function which is used to apply the all the elements of a sequence. Okay, so it applies all the elements of a sequence and it will returns a new list, a new what are the sequence we have taken, that should be a result. Okay, that returns a new sequence with the elements changed by the function. Okay, let's discuss the example by using an program. Okay, first one is the def function. I'm going to write the same program by using the def function and taking the list as an 5 8 7 6 3 1, like that. Okay, I want to add the 3 to all the elements of the list. Okay, have to add the number 3 to all the elements at the same time. Then I'm taking the function display of function, then formal arguments, then after adding the results I want to store the results in the list format. So list 1, empty list, I'm taking this empty list. Okay, then I have to search, I have to add the number 3 into each and every element. So for I in list, okay, this list, then want to add number 3 into each and every element. So I plus 3 and I have stored in some other variables called x equal to. Okay, then after adding the 3 to the elements I want to store, I want to display the results in the list format. So I have to add this elements results in the list. So list 1 dot append of x. Okay, then print list. So I have added the list into the elements into the list 1. So just sorry, I have forgotten to call the function, so it's not displayed. Okay, it's the main thing. Okay, if you are not calling this function, the function will not be executed. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, we got output. Okay, 8 11 10 9 6 4. Okay, for all the elements, number 3 has added into all the list elements. So we got a required output. Have modified, I'm going to modify the same function, same program into by using the map-of function. Map-of function used to perform the same thing to all the list of elements. Okay, at a time we can add the number, we can perform the same operation to all the list elements. So the syntax of the map-of function is map-of lambda expression, right? Lambda expression, comma, object name. Okay, what is the lambda expression? Lambda argument list colon expression. Okay, first we will write the lambda expression. Lambda argument list is I. Okay, colon expression means that's condition I plus 3. Okay, comma, object name. What are the object we have used? List. Okay, LST. Okay, before that we have used the map-of function. Okay, okay, we didn't give any any format to the list variables. Okay, so have to add the list because we want to display the results in the list format. So Control S, then run the program. See, we got a output. Okay, we got the same output by using the both function, by using the function and the lambda function. Okay, okay, that's it, friends. If you have any doubt, just leave a comment in the comment box. If you like this video, just hit the like button. If you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, friends.